naramdaman ko nun, nung na kami nagkita, para sa akin talaga, I believe in love at first sight. Kasi, hindi yung tingin na yung tingin lang iba siya yung tingin niya, parang there's something.
Paano niya ako niligawan? It's a bit complicated. Yung una, pumunta siya sa bahay, kasama niya yung kapatid niya, tapos may dala-dala siyang cake tsaka flowers. Nagpaalam siya sa papa ko kung pwede niya akong ligawan.
Day. Marry me. If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will. Say you will.
Sinagot niya ako nun, medyo awkward na funny moment eh. Kasi mainipin ako eh. So, tinanong ko siya, mag-stop na ako manligaw.
Kasi tinakot niya ako eh. Sabi niya sa akin, ano ba, sasagutin mo ba ako o hindi? Parang ako naman, okay. I love you, Mr. Marion Alan R. Olivar.
Marry me. Today and every day. If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will.
Yung first date namin, ang dami naming alipores. Ang dami naming kasama. Actually, pumunta kami sa Scarborough Beach at that time. And then, meron siyang ginawa na talagang na-turn off ako.
Time ko mag-show off. So, lumingin ako, maraming tao, mga kaibigan ko doon. I was like, they're gonna be proud of me. Sumigaw ako, I love you, Cathy. Talaga ng lakas.
Sumigaw siya ng napakalakas na I love you sa gitna ng beach.
Marry me. Today and every day. Marry me. If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will. Say you will. Marry me.
Nag-propose siya sa akin sa Sydney Harbour Bridge, sa taas ng bridge actually. At that very moment, I was wondering kung ano yung sinasabi niya dun sa tour guide namin. Kasi, sabi niya, I think this is the right time, sir. Can you be the witness? Something like that. Parang ako, witness saan? Tapos, yung mga kasama namin sa tour, they were at the top of the bridge kasi naiwan kami sa baba. And they were like, looking at me and kung ano yung ginagawa ni Miko. Tapos, bigla na lang lumuhod siya sa harapan ko and then he asked if I can marry him. And I was like thinking, should I say yes or not? But I did say yes. Pero sobrang gulat ko. After niya naisuot yung ring, he was like still kneeling down. And I just walked up sa top ng bridge. I left him kneeling down. So I was so shocked. I don't know what to do and I don't know what to say. So.
Kasi, ang iisip ko nun talaga, kung if ever na advertisement o magkaanak kami, tuturo ko yun, dyan nag-propose si Daddy. Dyan sa Sydney Harbour Bridge.
Marry me. Today and every day. Marry me. If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will.
Yung final message ko, wag kang magbabago, stay as beautiful inside, and saan na lang yung out. You're beautiful, but mas mahalaga talaga yung inside beautiful.
I'm so happy and I think I'm so blessed na nakilala ko siya. He helped me to learn a lot of things, and I'm very grateful. And I'm looking forward to be his lawfully wedded wife.